Right, it's fitted. It looks insane. For as long as I can remember, we've been modifying my M240i, but it's about time that we modify the Polo GTI. We've done literally nothing on this car since I bought it. Now, some of you may know, some of you may not. The Polo GTI is my wife's car, and I spent a lot of money actually modifying my own car, but I thought it's time that we modify her car. So before we unbox the new modification to fit to the Polo, let's get the M240i shifted, let's get the Polo in here so we can start modifying it. Back in the M240i, let's start this thing up. Oh, let's cancel that. We need to turn off cold start because that is way too loud. And of course, the best thing about the BMW is we hold the limiter button and we can flick through the maps. Let's change this back to a map that doesn't have cold start. Let's try again. Much more reasonable. And the Polo GTI has cold start no matter what. I can't turn that off, so let's just get this thing shifted so that we don't annoy everybody. You probably know where this modification is going, judging by the fact we've reversed the Polo in. So let's get this box unboxed. My 240i is looking very sad right now.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I'm hoping you guys are going to like this mod. I actually went to a car show on the weekend, Castle Combe. The videos are on the channel if you want to see them. And I saw another Polo GTI with this thing on. Hence why I've bought one to fit to hers. This is going to be so cool. Some of you can probably already guess what this is. This is going to look cool. The Batman style wing for the Polo. Now you might be wondering what's wrong with this current wing. Well, currently it looks really round on the back, and this is going to make it look a lot more aggressive. So I don't know if this actually has a aftermarket piece on here. We're gonna have to do some investigating. But let's offer this new one up to see roughly how it's gonna look. I'm guessing somewhat like, yeah, I think this is aftermarket. So we need to figure out a way to get this off. So I used the pry tool to get this piece off, which I can now undo bolts to get that off, but I'm just gonna work my way and maybe I'll time lapse this so you guys can see the final result soon. My dog's come to help me. Can you go get me a smaller one of these? I need a smaller one. Go, go. No help. Let's go together then, come on. I now have the correct tool, so let's do this. That looks even more boring. That looks so good. That looks class. Right, the next important thing is to give this a bit of a clean up because we don't want to be sticking this stuff down on like a really dirty surface. So give this a little bit of a scrub. Right, it's fitted. It looks insane. I'll do a full reveal in just a second. Not really 100% sure what I meant to do with these bits. However, this does look so good. And considering that's fitted on with just double, oh dear. What I was gonna say is, the fact it's stuck on with just double-sided sticky tape, it's held on pretty well. Like, that's moving the car. So let's take it for a drive. Let's see if it makes this like 50 more horsepower. And let's get some cinematics to see how good this thing actually looks. We've arrived at location. Let's get this grand reveal. I'm excited. It's still on the car as well. This looks so good. She's either gonna love that or she's gonna hate it, but that looks so aggressive. That looks so much better. Roll the cinematic. Before we do though, look at this stone. That is so annoying.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh,
Can't lie to you guys, that's the best mod I fitted to this Polo. If you didn't know, I bought this Polo pretty much as modified as it could be, with an IS20 turbo, stage 3 build, intercoolers, 330 horsepower, the list goes on. But I never actually got to do my own modifications on it, and I do so much on the M240i, it was about time I did something for the Polo. And since I've had this car, I've always wanted to fix that kind of round rear end that it had, because if you imagine, it always just curved up if you've seen previous videos on the channel, but now that fitment and that spoiler looks incredible. I'm so happy with how this is looking right now. All we need to do is just work out what goes with these holes. So if any of you have any comments of what actually goes here, if we need to buy another part, then let me know, because obviously that looks a little bit annoying. Apart from that, that's one of the best modifications I've put on a car to date. All thanks to seeing a Polo that looked similar to this on the motorway back from a car show. I've now got my own spoiler, which makes this Polo, well, my wife's Polo, look probably 4 times more aggressive. Looks like a proper hatchback now. I love it. You guys will have to let me know. Did you prefer the round look that it had, or do you actually like the aggressiveness of this current spoiler? Because I am a big fan. Let's get back. Let's drive this thing home. This thing is so much fun. Honestly, if I had to choose between the M240i and this Polo, I'd be quite stuck, because they're both completely different cars, but they're both so much fun in their own way. Like the M240i, you can send it around a roundabout sideways if you wanted to, whereas doing it in this would be quite dangerous. But then this thing on like a back road or maybe on track, which we will see soon, would just be another level of fun. And when I say this thing is fun, I mean like the M240i with the B58 doesn't have a blow-off valve. Listen to this. It's a proper hatchback, and I love it because it's a little bit ASBO, and that just makes it so much fun. So does the spoiler add 50 horsepower? I think it adds 100. This thing feels rapid with the spoiler on now, so I'm going to say it's added at least 100 brake horsepower just by fitting that spoiler. Probably should have uploaded that on April Fools, because you guys would have thought that was a joke. I'm not joking. I'm being 100% serious. The car's faster with the spoiler, until it falls off. Well, I'm well and truly happy with this. It's now time to show the wife, so you guys will have to let me know in the comment section what you think her reply is going to be like. Do you think she's going to love this, or do you think she's going to hate it? I have a 50-50 reaction. I'm not 100% sure. I'm hoping she likes it, because I do. If not, then it might be short-lived. You guys can let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed today's video, then consider giving it a like so more people can see it. If you have any comments as well, leave them in the comment section and I'll personally answer them. Hang on a second, we have a little bit of a uphill, so let's get a little pull. So much fun. I'm going to carry on enjoying the car, hoping the spoiler doesn't fall off. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching today. Bye for now.